Hey friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone sound and vibration setting. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we enable vibrate mode setting in our Samsung phone. In this video friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all open your phone setting to enable your vibrate mode setting. After enable guys phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Samsung mobile. So once you can see guys your sound and vibration setting is tap here. Once you can see your sound mode setting, a vibrate mode setting and mute option. So once you want to enable your vibrate mode setting guys, you will have to click on guys this icon guys, tap here to enable your vibrate mode. So once your vibrate mode will enable in your Samsung phone, and guys you can see your vibrate mode icon on your status bar screen guys. So as your vibrate mode will enable, so your phone will vibrate. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.